Wow, winter is like full on here. So today I'm going to tell you exactly what to wear in very cold weather, should it be in your home city or if you plan to travel in a cold winter season destination soon. Culture Eater, how are you doing today? So how am I doing? I'm cold. I am so freaking cold. The last 2 days in Montreal have been record-breaking cold. This morning on the thermometer, minus 23 Celsius. With the wind factor, a record-breaking minus 39.5 Celsius. Crazy cold. Yesterday I saw these two travelers in the subway and yeah, they were completely underdressed and not ready for this weather at all. So I thought, who is a better equipped person to tell you exactly travel tips and packing tips on exactly what to put in your suitcase if you're going somewhere that's going to be cold. Because let me tell you, here, you know, this is abnormal cold, but you never know when it's going to happen. So stay tuned and you'll find out what to wear in very cold weather. And before we get going, make sure to give this video a like. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button on my channel so you don't miss any more videos to come. All right, I hope you are going to enjoy this little fashion show. It's again a fashion show of comfort and warmth, not about cuteness. Cuteness goes out the door when it's minus 39. So, first off, the whole technique behind staying warm is layering. You're like an onion, just add layers and layers and layers, and that is how you are going to stay warm. For your underwear, make sure you wear underwear that is tight to the skin. So that's mostly for guys. Avoid boxers, wear briefs or boxer briefs. Next, you're going to want some thick socks, preferably wool or a special modern material like they have nowadays, but don't wear your thin little socks today. Oh, and the sexiest part of your outfit, thermal underwear. The idea here is to wick moisture away from your body. Avoid cotton. You can wear like leggings underneath and a thin sweater that's long sleeved and that's close to the skin. Next up, you're going to want some pants. I've put on jeans. On top, we will put a sweater. I have a wool blend sweater here. Again, wool or natural fibers are of preference. I will also add a second sweater. This also has a wool blend. If you have a fleece sweater, that would be a great choice if you don't have a natural fiber top. My coat has a fleece lining, so it's almost like a fourth layer. It also has a windproof and waterproof shell, which is great to stop the wind from penetrating inside. Make sure you close that flap and button it up so wind doesn't get through the zipper. Next, we're going to take a thick scarf. You don't want a flimsy scarf. Get a nice thick scarf. I like to put it around my face first, go around the neck, come back, and to tie it also around the neck, because this is really going to stop any cold air from going down the neck opening of your coat. Next up is going to be a hat. If you really want to be fashion conscious, make sure to get a hat, a scarf, and mittens that all match, but I really don't care. All right, you got your hat on? Yeah, we're still going to put that hood up. You're going to need that hood, and if you have the strings to really make that hood tight around your head, do it, because the wind is going to go right through there if you don't. If you don't have strings to tighten the hood, I might recommend to tie the scarf outside of the coat. Okay, we are almost there. These mittens that I have are very thick and double layered. It is preferable to wear mittens to gloves. Mittens are warmer because the heat of the fingers touching each other are warmer than gloves, where each finger is individually wrapped. And the pièces de résistance, they're not very clean. I've had them for 4 years, but you're gonna need some really good boots. I've had these boots for 4 years. I've never had a pair that's lasted so long. Okay, I'm starting to feel like the Michelin Man and I can barely move. You could throw me down a staircase and I won't feel anything. I'm pretty padded here. I am not a purple monster. I am ready to go outside. And there you go. There is my final outfit. I am ready to maybe spend 15 minutes. I'm not kidding. This is how I got dressed to go for brunch today. Yeah. 11 out of 14 people still showed up at this brunch. So the number one lesson to learn in winter time is don't hibernate. Make sure you go out and have fun with your friends. All right, I hope that you got a lot of tips and advice on how to dress properly for cold weather and how to pack for winter travel. If you want to know more about Canadian weather, make sure to click that link above right now. I have a great video called So You Think You'll Know Everything About Canadian Weather, a awesome collaboration with about 6 other YouTubers across Canada. We had such fun doing this video. Let me know down below in the comments if it's cold where you live and if you have any other tips that I have not mentioned today. And finally, this is Evelyn telling you to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. I will see you very soon again with some new videos. Mwah! Bye!